Hi everybody, it's Phil from Cleveland Moto, and I got an update on the Sean Wotherspoon Vespa, the Primavera that we've been selling here, and it has sold like hotcakes. It has just been flying out of our store, and I've heard rumors that they're going to be doing another run of them. So if you did want to get a Sean Wotherspoon, if you saw this bike and you were absolutely in love with the way it looked like I am, and you found it to be incredibly attractive, then this is your time to get down to your Vespa dealer and place a deposit so you can get in on the second order. Big news for the Sean Wotherspoon owners: if you've taken delivery of your bike already, you might notice that you did not have your owner's manual or the seat cover, and this is a big deal. So they've done a very special owner's manual, and you can take a look right now. They've done a special edition Sean Wotherspoon owner's manual, and a lot of the customers had a question about this corduroy seat. And this corduroy seat is one of those items that you might think, well, I really am going to have to be careful with that. So what they've done is they've included in the purchase price of the bike this very nice, and this is a very heavy nautical gauge of fabric, Sean Wotherspoon limited edition seat cover. Now, unlike previous Vespas where the seat cover actually went into the seat itself in the front, and it was basically a shower cap for your seat, this is more of a form-fitting and very nicely done. You'll see that it is stitched to match the actual contour of the seat. And it's a dark blue cover, in fact, a navy blue color. So it's really, really nice. I'm very impressed with the craftsmanship of that. Take a look under the seat and you'll see that there is a buckle there with an elastic tensioner so that it stays on nice and tight and secure when the seat is in the down and locked position. It comes in the tote bag that you see there with the yellow strings so that it will, you can put the seat in there, leave the seat cover in there, and maybe during inclement weather when you don't want your corduroy seat to be damaged by the rain or snow or sun, you can put this nautical blue colored limited edition Sean Wotherspoon seat cover. Now, if you have the Vespa already and you already have your Sean Wotherspoon, contact your dealer to make sure that you get these two items. These two items just arrived at dealerships just now, so we want you to be aware of it. We want you to have them. If you have any other questions about the Sean Wotherspoon or any other Vespas or motorcycle related things, get in touch with me. You can shoot me an email to phil@clevelandmoto.com. Check out our YouTube channel, Cleveland Moto. And we always remind you to ride fast and take chances.